Hamjambo, jina langu ni Abdul Karim and welcome to this Swahili lesson. In this lesson, we will learn how Swahili nouns in the M1 class agree with Swahili adjectives. Don't forget that M1 noun class is made up of nouns that are animate creatures, names of nouns that are animate creatures, that is, names of human beings, names of animals, names of birds, insects, and so on, animate creatures. And we will learn the meaning of an adjective. An adjective is a word that describes or modifies a noun by providing more information about its qualities. In Swahili, an adjective is called kivumishi in singular form and plural is vivumishi. So let's get started and see how they agree with these nouns. Mostly the nouns in M1 class, most of them start with M in singular form and wa in plural form. Let's get started and see. Just some of them don't start that way, as you will see. Moja, mtu mzuri. A good person. Mtu mzuri. A good person. In plural, we will say watu wazuri. Watu wazuri. Good people. 2a, msichana mrembo. Msichana mrembo, a beautiful girl. 2b, wasichana warembo, beautiful girls. Wasichana warembo. Then I'll clarify here, mtu mzuri. The word mzuri in coastal areas, it's mostly used to mean beautiful, either beautiful or handsome. But in mainland area, like in Nairobi, in other parts of Kenya, mzuri simply means good, like in character-wise, you know. Tatu, mwalimu mrefu. Mwalimu mrefu, a tall teacher. Mwalimu mrefu, a tall teacher. 3b, walimu warefu. Walimu warefu, tall teachers. 4a, mkulima mfupi. Mkulima mfupi, a short farmer. Mkulima mfupi. In plural form, we'll say wakulima wafupi. Wakulima wafupi, short farmers. 5a, mtu mwembamba. Mtu mwembamba, a slender person. 5b, watu wembamba. Watu wembamba. Sorry, this should be watu and not mtu. Watu wembamba, slender people. For this one, mwembamba, we added mw because the root word embamba is starting with a vowel. Therefore, we just need to add mw in singular form, and for plural, we will just add w. For the others, we were adding m in singular and wa in plural, because the root was starting with the consonant. Like for the first one here, we say zuri is a root, which means good, but we add mzuri to mean the noun is in M1 class. Mtu mzuri, like that. Sita, 6a, we have mbuzi mweupe. Mbuzi mweupe, a white goat. Plural, mbuzi weupe, white goats. Mbuzi weupe. 7a, ndege mweusi. Ndege mweusi, a black bird. Plural, ndege weusi. Ndege weusi, black birds. You can see from these examples that we added mw just instead of m because the root of this adjective is eupe and the other one is eusi. So it's starting with a vowel. Therefore, we just add mw in singular form and w in plural form. You also might be wondering why mbuzi is remaining the same. Mbuzi in singular and plural form, or ndege. We're not taking any prefix from these words. This is because most of the nouns in Swahili for animals, they don't have plural forms, and most of them don't start with m. So we can have word like mbuzi is a goat in singular, plural we say mbuzi. Simba is a lion in singular form, and Simba are lions, plural form. 8A. Mdudu mwekundu. Mdudu mwekundu. A red insect. Mdudu mwekundu. 8B. Wadudu wekundu. Wadudu wekundu. Red insects. 9A. Mtoto mchafu. Mtoto mchafu. A dirty kid. 9B. Watoto wachafu. Watoto wachafu. Dirty kids. 10A. Mtu mbaya. A bad person. Mtu mbaya. 10B. Watu wabaya. Bad people. Watu wabaya. 11A. Mtu mvivu. A lazy person. Mtu mvivu. 11B. Watu wavivu. Lazy people. Watu wavivu. Lazy people. So for this adjective in this moi class, mostly we take the first initial of this noun in singular form, then we add on the adjective, and we take the first initial of the noun in plural form and we add on the adjective in plural form. Just as you can see, mtu, okay, mtu mzuri, a good person, and watu wazuri. So we take the root m and wa. M for singular and wa for plural. But remember that not all of these words will take their initial. Just only if the word is starting with m in singular form and wa in plural form, that's when we can take that initial and add to the root of adjective to make it understandable. So this is for moi class. If you have any question, you can ask me in the chats, in the comments. And don't forget, our Swahili course for beginners and intermediates is starting on 4th December 2023. So register now in the link that I will leave in the comments or description on my YouTube. Kwaheri, kwaheri. If you find this video super useful, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel at Kiswahili with Abdul Karim. Follow me on Instagram at Lughahab Swahili. Follow me on TikTok at Lughahab Swahili. Asante.